Hi guys, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Condor. I created this look for you guys today. I attended a wedding yesterday and created a look very similar to this. I just changed a few things up. So I just wanted to film a look on it and share it with you guys. If you want to see more like short clips of makeup tutorials or little fashion videos, please go ahead and follow my Instagram. I would really appreciate it. I share a lot more content on there. Obviously it's a lot easier and quicker than filming a whole video. Editing it just takes forever and it's a lot more time consuming. So if you want to stay connected and be friends, follow me on Instagram. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, then please keep on watching. I've already done like my base of my, well, technically my entire skin makeup. I've done the blush, the highlighter, the contour, all that stuff. I realized I didn't do powder bronzer, but that's not that big a video. Oh, whatever. Okay. Do I need to do it? I think it's fine. Maybe I'll just add I'll add some in this video. So I just filmed a look on the, where is it? The Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. So if you guys are interested in my thoughts and opinions on this, I'll go ahead and link it at the end of the video and right up here, or is it up here? And I'll link it at the end of the video. So if you want to go ahead and finish this video and then watch that one, that'd be sweet. Anyway, I have cream blush on and I don't have a powder. Well, I have cream blush and bronzer on and I don't have powder over it, so maybe I'll just add a little bit more for the sake of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. Let's go ahead and zoom you guys in a little. Okay, so for the eyes, we are going to use the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. I've been using this a lot lately, mainly because I've been traveling and this is really easy to travel with because you can use this to set. This is too light for me to use for blush, but you could mix these both to set under the eye because pink does cancel out dark circles. And then you can use this for contour or for eyeshadow, and then you got your neutrals. So I'm going to be using my Morphe JH35 and I'm going to be mixing these two colors right here. I'm going to add a little bit of concealer to my eyelids. This is the Stila Pixel Perfect in the shade Light Medium 1. And I'm just gonna, basically, this is my little trick. I have like a flat paddle brush, if you guys can tell. It's wider this way and then it flattens when you turn it. It's like kind of flat on this side and it's wide on this side. So the side that I use to pick up the product, so it's on this side, I flip it so it's on top and then I apply it on my crease so that the product is above my crease, if that makes sense. Instead of just like dipping it in like this into the palette and just applying it straight into the crease, I like dip it in from an angle. You guys see that? And then I flip it and then I apply it so that it's a little higher than my crease. I feel like this helps making your lid looks bigger, which I like. I have a very small lid. Like I have a lot of space from my lash line to my brow, but my actual lid is like very small. And I feel like girls that have big lids just look so exotic. And I wish I had big lids, but we'll just fake it. So then the rest we're just gonna blend it. So the same thing with the other eye, flip the brush and apply it above your crease. Take your time blending. Blending is so important. You don't want to look patchy. And then basically when there's nothing on the brush, I'll just blend it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the JH40 brush. I tend to always go for the Jaclyn Hill collection because there's so many like variety of brushes. You can create literally an entire look with it. I have so many other brands, but I feel like these are just so convenient. So now mixing the same colors, I'm going to go ahead and apply it underneath my eye and blend it out. Now going back with the first brush, I'm just going to make sure everything else is wiped off. And I'm going to blend underneath. So now, yesterday I kind of finished at this for the wedding I attended, but I'm gonna do a little bit more dramatic. I was kind of in a hurry yesterday. I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna mix it with this one because I don't want it to be too dark. Tap off the extra, same thing, flip the brush, and I'm just gonna apply this in the outer V. And blend it in. Again, I'm keeping it like right above my lid to create the illusion of having a bigger lid, and just blend it into the lash line. Okay, going back in with that first brush, we're just gonna make sure this is all nice and blended. Alright, same thing with the other eye. I'm going back in with that light warm shade right here, and I'm just gonna use this to blend everything, and it's just gonna warm it up a little bit as well. So underneath here and here, I'm gonna grab a Morphe M508. It's just this little flat brush. I'm gonna grab that dark shade Risk and just apply this really close to the lash line. So now I'm gonna use, you can use this shade right here, but I feel like it's just a little too light. So I'm gonna go back in with this palette and use this shade right here. I'm gonna grab a MAC 248. Any light color will do. I'm just gonna apply this on the lid. I decided to get a little bit of this cream concealer in here, just so that it shows up better. It would have worked better if I didn't already apply that powder, but it's okay, we're gonna work with it. So now going back in with that powder, it's just gonna make that color pop a little bit more. And then going back in with this little brush, we're gonna make sure it's blended on the outer corner. This time I'm gonna apply the cream concealer first. This is basically my go-to makeup look, except I'm doing it a little bit extra today. I normally don't add that last dark color we do. I just kind of do like a smoky eyeshadow look, and I normally don't take so much time on this lid either. I don't really apply the cream. I'll just do a light color and just call it a day. I just have it a little bit simplified, if that makes sense. So now you could do an eyeliner. I normally use brown eyeliner, but since I did the shadow so dark, I'm just gonna skip that step. I'm gonna apply some black liner on my waterline. This is the Chanel Noir Intense eyeliner. I'm just gonna, just poke it myself. Okay, I need a mirror to do this. By the way, look how cute this mirror is. My sister got me for my birthday. Has my name, and then it says, "You are fearfully and wonderfully made," Psalm 139:14. I think it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it, and it has the regular mirror and the close-up mirror. It's such a thoughtful gift. I love it so much. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my absolute favorite mascara. This is the Chanel Volume de Chanel mascara. Is this my empty one, or I think this is my empty one. Hold on. Oh, here it is. This is the new one. Now I'm gonna just apply some mascara, and I kind of just bring it to my lash line and wiggle it a little bit. Until I have it close to my root, then I just apply it like without wiggling it. Then I just let that dry before I do my second coat. I feel like I need a little brightening right here. Does that look better? I'm like so scared to pick this up every time because I feel like I'm gonna get foundation or like makeup all over it, which I know I wipe it off, but just extra careful with it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I can never apply mascara without getting it on my eyelid. Do you guys have that problem? Let me know. And if you don't, what do you do to not get it on your eyelid? I even try like putting my mirror underneath so I don't have to look up, like, you know, so my lashes don't touch, but it still happens. It does help though, so if you do have that problem, just try putting the mirror bring it down. Why is it so hard for me to explain? And just look down when you apply it. Maybe I just need to bring it down like lower. Maybe that's gonna help. Seems like I didn't touch that time. I feel like you literally have to put it underneath your chin and look down to not touch, at least in my case. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let that dry. I'm gonna grab a spoolie and clean up my mess. Luckily, it's not that hard to fix because we already have so much powder on the eyelid. It's just kind of comes right off. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and do my second coat in just a second. While we're waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lips. This is the purse I wore to the wedding yesterday. Isn't it so cute? I thrifted it. And you can also, this is not a fashion video, it's a makeup video, but it's 2-in-1 today. You can also put this chain on the inside, like this. Oh. And you can just put it like this. Isn't that so cute? Anyway, I need my lippies out of here. Okay, so I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kristen, her lip liner. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. My color, like on my lips, the color stops before the actual like shape of my lip. So I bring it out. Can you guys see? I bring it to right here where the actual shape is. Fill it in a little bit, and then I just go like that so it like fades in. Same with my bottom lip. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the shape of it stops like right here. Right, like the color ends before my lip does. I don't know if that makes any sense. Okay, next my camera battery is dying. I'm going to use the Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Syra, and it's just like this kind of peachy-ish pink. I'm going to apply this in the center. It's not that peachy, but like a nudie, a peachy nudie color, but mixed with this looks really pretty, in my opinion. I just love like a faded lip, an ombre lip, not a faded lip. I love this color combo. I've been loving like a bright pink lip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my second layer of mascara, and I'm gonna apply some on my lower lash line as well. Okay, so that is basically all for the look, but I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of bronzer and more blush just for the sake of the video, like I mentioned. Let's zoom you out. Okay, so I have this blush kit by Anastasia. This is in the shade Radiant, I think. I'm gonna use the JH06 brush. I like this one because it's like very flimsy, and I'm gonna mix these two together. Tap off the extra and brush her up. I really like that color combo. Cute. Okay, then I'm gonna use this Smashbox palette. I really love this palette. This is the Dawn In Decked Out Sculpting Cheek palette. I forgot I dropped it and it shattered, and I just opened it upside down and it all fell on my furry. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have like a fur rug, like a little small fake fur rugs on my chair. That's great. Anyway. Smoky B32 and mix these two bronzing shades together. And add some bronzer. Not too much because we already have a cream base underneath. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this Cover FX palette. This is the Contour Kit Trouse Contours, 6 medium deep. I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to use my finger. And just apply some cream highlighter. And that's basically it. Here's the final look. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do recreate this look, let me know. Tag me if you post it on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram somewhere around here. I'll link it down below. Oh my gosh, my camera is dying like right now, so I gotta hustle this up. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends if you think they'll like this makeup look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Hold on, my dog's so barking.
Lucy. Lucy, no. You're a good girl.
Okay. My dogs were barking at a cat, which I'm sure they thought was my cat because it's the sibling of my cat. Okay, you guys don't care.